Alright, so as you can see here, we're removing the distributor cap. Then we've got these top 3 screws here, right by where the rotor bug is. We're going to remove the rotor bug. Okay, then we're going to take out these top 3 screws here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take this plate off, this little plastic cover, and here you can see the reluctor wheel. It's this little metal plate here. It's underneath, it's secured underneath a little nut, I guess you'd call it. It's got an Allen key with it, so you're gonna have to have an Allen key to get that out of there. But this is the reluctor wheel here. Okay, so now we're going to find us an Allen key that'll work. Go ahead and try this one. Nope, a little bit too big. Alright, so this one will work. So you've got this Allen key here. We're going to go ahead and take this O-ring off so we don't damage it while we're trying to get this off. It is Loctited in there. And hold the reluctor wheel, don't damage it. Break the screw loose. You're breaking that Loctite loose really is all you're doing. Go ahead and unscrew it all the way. You get that screw out, this piece just comes right off of there. And this here is your reluctor wheel. This is what everybody's needing. That piece there is the part that you're going to have to take and swap out.